How to automate seasonal campaign emails with n8n. The holiday season is approaching. You've designed a beautiful email campaign, but instead of manually sending batches to thousands of subscribers, n8n handles everything automatically. Your email lands at the perfect time with the right contact for each segment, while you focus on strategy. This workflow will schedule seasonal campaign in advance, will fetch the right subscriber segments from Google Sheet, will personalize each email, will send automatically via your email provider, and will track success metrics for future campaigns. Let's start the workflow. So first you have the cron node to schedule campaign. When should the campaign run? Use the cron node to trigger emails automatically on your preferred days. So you can have this every day to start at 9 a.m. This starts the workflow automatically when it's time to send the seasonal campaign. After that, you have the Google Sheet to fetch the subscriber list. Where are your subscribers stored? In a Google Sheet with columns like email, first name, last name, and segment. Operation is read and spreadsheet your Google Sheet ID. What it does, it pulls all the subscriber data for personalization and sending. Next node is the function node. How do you personalize each email? Will generate subject lines and content tailored to the subscriber segment. Let's open it. What it does, create a personalized email per subscriber. As you can see, happy holidays, special offer for segment. Hi, we prepare exclusive deal for you this holiday season. Check them out and enjoy our seasonal discount. And the last note is the email, the send campaign. How do you ensure emails are sent reliably? Use SMTP, Gmail or SendGrid node in n8n. So you have from email your email, to email JSON email, subject JSON subject, and on the text will be the JSON body. This send each personalized email automatically. So let's recap. The trigger cron schedule your campaign, the subscriber fetch go to Google Sheets, the personalization function node generate custom content, and delivery email send node dispatches the campaign. So your seasonal email campaign is now fully automated, real time, and imported for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video, guys. Bye bye.